Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. We start off opening our Google Chrome application. In it, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose settings, where we have our Google Password Manager, and there we can manage password which our smartphone remember. In this case to our Facebook Google account maybe, but to do that we must enter our connect pin to get connect to that, and in it we can copy our email and passwords using this first icon, or when we choose this icon our smartphone show us password which remember. You can also share this all to someone using this icon, or edit something, tap on edit and write something new in usernames, passwords or note. But remember, when you change something, press save. You can also delete passwords which our smartphone remember by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.